everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the best case for Microsoft Surface Pro. Let's go ahead and look at it. Alright, volume up and down button for the headphones jack, and let's look at the left side. Okay, we have the USB-C, the charger place, and turn on and off button. And when we look, take it out, it's right there. This is also protecting this area. When you look at the edges, it's already covering the screen. And let's go ahead and put this back and close it. This is how you're gonna charge in both ways. You can charge it like that, right there, and this way. See, it has a place there. Both sides you can charge it. This is the complete case. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.